Yo, it's your boy Check Investing. Let's do a weekly review. Last week. Okay, so I'm going to really a lot of chops, so not much to go over, but let's just quickly do it. So let's go to the weekly here. Let's set this back here. I'll set that back later because I'm reviewing this on a Monday. All right, and then I'll set this back to this day right here. All right, so on the weekly, let's just ignore this candle right here. Let's ignore this one. Replay. Go. Bada bing. All right, so weekly candle, not too much to go over. Took out previous week low, closed back inside the body of the range. Where have we been for some time now? We've been over here inside this weekly civvy. Failure to really break out of it. That's why we've had some pretty lackadaisical trading over the past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks, right? 6 weeks ago is when we first tapped this civvy up here. Ever since we got there, it has been pretty, um, you know, non-directional. Okay. Uh, Anything else to mention here? No. On the daily, and you know what? Let me actually delete that. On the daily, you know what? Maybe actually you can keep that weekly sibby here. I just want to see how we're interacting with the consequent encroachment of it. On the daily here, you can see since Monday, right? So this is Monday right here. New day opening gap, for a new week opening gap, really down. Close it up and created a daily bullish order block going into that Monday, right? Closing well above this previous day's high. However, we came back into the range and had an inside day following suit on Tuesday. Had an FOMC. The FOMC came out and we really did not take out either side of this daily candles range, even though we took out this previous daily candles low. Came right back into the range. And then Friday, we did take out sell side. Because if you look here, we did take out buy side on this candle's high. So there was a bunch of lows here that were left intact. That price eventually took out. We ended up taking out this consolidation candles low and also the previous week low all here in one fell swoop. I've taken out the previous day low as well. On the 4 hour, what do we have? So since Friday, we opening gap higher, run higher, we purge liquidity above this candle's high, close lower. We come into the constant encroachment of this rejection block now, forming a down close candle here going into 6 p.m. In the Asian session, forming a 4 hour CB overnight. We came back into it during London, and then pre-market didn't have too much direction. I wanted to see us run lower from here. If we could really use this CB to propel lower, especially we didn't even come to the constant encroachment of it. However, going into the 10 a.m. close, we actually rallied higher, creating a 4 hour bearish bullish order block, filled in that most of this FUG CIVI and taking out and purging this high just to close lower and forming a 4 hour bearish order block. Price then came and tapped the high of this new week opening gap, and that was by Asian session the next day, and then or that same day, consolidated overnight, and then ran higher, but none of the bodies really closed through this 4 hour bearish order block. We continued to close through it, even though we had wicks higher, and then ultimately ended up running lower, taking out this candle's low and filling in the rest of this new opening gap, and taking out these series of relative equal lows here that were left intact after taking out the buy side on this level, right? And we took out buy side over here as well, where you can see the buy side here has really been purged, right? It's just these relative equal lows here and over here that had been left intact that eventually we targeted by Thursday Asian, and then overnight we expanded higher coming into this relatively rebalanced price range. One more run up here on this 4 hour CB, purging this previous day high here, closing back into the range, and then Friday another run lower. Going to PM, and the last couple hours of the trading week, we did nothing. And now here on the 1 hour, what do we have? Run up, going to Sunday Asian, London overnight, another expansion, inverting this entire 1 hour CB here, finding support on top of it. You can see this 1 hour CB that's right here. Finding support on that, running higher, taking out 0 to equalize here and here. When do we do that? We do that at the 9:30 open of Monday, and by 11 o'clock, we've really taken out that candle's high here as well. We consolidate basically for the rest of the afternoon, and it's not until Asian that time when we ran lower, right? And then we consolidated again. We came back into this 4 hour CB, purging this high, and then creating a 1 hour bearish order block lower, going into lunch price. And notice how we consolidated basically pretty much all during the AM session. Then lunch we had an expansion. Price runs against the sell side here, and it comes into this 1 hour CB, runs against sell side one more time, just to overlap this void here. and creating a fair value gap. That price runs back into here at midnight, and then makes another high here, wicks, and then runs lower. Fails to take out this low until we get here to the 9:30 a.m. Judas swing, which takes out those relative equal lows and fills in this 1 hour gap. Then propels higher, taking out this candle's high, but then price failed to take out these rejection block high over here. It kept running lower. One more immediate swing here at 2 p.m. and then a rebalance lower, closer to a consequent encroachment of this wick. Immediate rebalance and then close lower. That's a bearish signature to take out this sell side. Clearly, we have been in a market maker sell model all over here. And then price came into this 1 hour SIBI one more time here at midnight, runs lower, takes out this candle's low, comes to this redelivery balance price range one more time here at 6 a.m., 7 a.m. Price runs lower, takes out all these relative equal lows here, and filling over this new week opening gap, by the way, after we only had buy side, now we've given it all of the sell side. That happens here by 9:30 a.m. And then going to, oh, we had what happened here? Did we close early on Thursday? Oh, it's Juneteenth. Oh, yeah. Close early, reopened again the next day on Friday, runs higher, creates a large gap, price comes into that, consolidates, runs against its relative equal lows here, just to reverse and find support on top of this new week opening gap and previous day low, runs higher, takes out the buy side one more time, doesn't take out this candle's high here, but just returns back to this 4 hour SIBI, breaks down with this wick, runs lower, takes out the relative equal lows here, and then consolidates the rest of the afternoon on Friday.